Coming up, 7 of the best super fast cubing algorithms. Numero 1, the GB perm. "12 complicated moves completed in less than 2 seconds. In at number 2 is the NA perm. Number 3, my personal favourite, the lightning fast E perm. That's almost 15 moves per second. Knocking on the door with number 4, the Z perm. Up next, we've got the T perm. H perm is number 6. A double flick only counts as one move, but this algorithm's completed in less than 1 second. We started with the GB, we finished with the GA perm. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Man like James. Catch you in the next video.